Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rupa. So today is the day 2 in Arambol Beach. So we are staying nearby, walkable distance, and just now I woke up and got fresh. We thought of going for a lake and Arambol mountain early morning so that it looks fresh, and after that we'll come back and get ready. Then we'll explore some more things. So that was the plan, but unfortunately it's drizzling. It's drizzling, bro. Drizzling.
It's okay, we are not ice cream. Sorry, it's not a great example by the way.
I know.
Give me some great example.
Initially it was just drizzling, but after few time it started raining heavily, and it stopped after 30 to 40 minutes. So we thought like to go in a bike, but bike didn't have petrol, so we are riding for petrol bunk. Actually we went for petrol bunk and now we are back to our room. Actually what happened is that we thought everywhere this Google Pay Paytm will work, but unfortunately only card was taken or cash, so it didn't happen. So we are back to the room.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
After huge discussion, we thought that let us do some adventurous trekking. So we thought of going for Backwater Lake, Sweet Lake, which is there in the Arambol beach itself, but it is little far, so we have to cross Arambol mountain and then we have to reach the Sweetwater Lake. So that is why we decided to come back to Arambol beach, and then from there we will reach the mountains. So we will trek for some time and we will be reaching the lake. So that is what is happening right now. You can see here the waves are so high, and we were also scared whether to go or not, but still we got some confidence that others too are going, so with them even we started going. So this is a look. So here starts actual mountain range. So here you can see there are huge rocks in between the ocean. So from here we are starting to go, but meanwhile we thought like let us stop for some time and look at this waves. It's so strong, guys. You can look at it. It's so forcibly hitting the rocks over there. So we thought like let us hold on here for some time and then move. Guys, after so much of hard work, I can tell we're going to Sweet Lake. Look at this. Oh my god, this way is so damn slippery, and we have to cross this mountain and we have to reach our Sweet Lake. That is why this hustle, and we have to hustle for some time to reach Sweet Backwater Lake. And also it was not that great, it was little dirty as well. So yeah, let us see our journey. And here comes the next stop. Look at Bhumi, she is walking rapidly and she was in full of josh to uh, roam Arambol beach. She didn't want even 1 minute to waste at our room, so that is why she's running and she's in full josh.
Kitna? Oh God. It's slippery. Adventurous day 2. Goa. Oh God. हाँ. Just be careful. That's all. Okay.
Okay,
पकड़ यार, कुछ तो ये पकड़ एक साथ चीज।
Adventurous Bhumi.
2 hours later.
Yes, finally we are about to reach Sweetwater Lake, and here is again the greatest task for us to move forward. And in the coming time, there is a what to tell? It's a river stream, and that we have to cross and go to that particular lake. So that is what is a hustle here.
What is sorted?
Chappal, our look, it is same like jungle. same like a jungle.
Here is the sweet lake.
Where? That's the sweet lake.
चल पकड़.
This dog, how come this dog came here?
This is dog.
Dog, how are you here? How many adventures you did? Who will give you food here? Dog. Talk to me, dog, please. Bhumi is there. The adventurous kid. Sweet lake, sweet backwater lake. This doesn't meet the ocean. This is the ocean and this is the lake. This is my chappal, a very dirty chappal. This is my dirty clothes. This is Bhumika Singh washing her own chappals. But so much dirty. People made it so dirty, guys.
What is dirty?
See here, all plastic covers, that, these and all. I
That
think
is not called dirt. That is called dirt.
which that is Thar.
Also dirt comes right.
Yeah. Okay, so after so long trekking, we reached the Sweetwater Lake, and we were so damn tired. So we reached around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So there was no network, nothing else to work with. So we thought of resting there sometime, as we were so tired after the long trek. And Bhumika wanted some relaxation. That is why she is doing a head massage here. And this scene is really so beautiful, guys. It's just beautiful. Also, one thing is here, the crabs, baby crabs will come out. That is why the water, when it comes on the beach, on the shore, it quickly gets dried up, because crabs have made holes over it. That is what is the main thing. We were getting scared to even step down on that particular shore. So that's just next level. So after that, we started going back at around 4 o'clock. We started moving, and we wanted to go back. That is why the hustle again to go back to our places. And yeah, we are going back. So hustle back again. Wait. After a long trek to Sweet Lake. We are back to the beach and we are going to our rooms now. Hopefully we'll get fresh and make a move for the next thing.
2 hours later.
So after going back to our rooms, we quickly got ready and now we are heading towards another beach. And we hired our bike from a local vendor and we are going on a bike. It was the cutest ride and let us see how the beach is. Hey guys, okay, so now it's almost 6:40 and we are in another beach, that is Ashwin Beach. So take a look here. So this is how Ashwin Beach looks and let's have fun. But I think there is a tar here as well, so I don't think so that we can play like yesterday, but still let us enjoy today. And this is the second day of our beach, I mean in Goa, and this will be the last day as well, so that's fine. Let's come again and enjoy, but for now this is the last beach and this is the last. Let's have fun. Yes, it's already 7 now. 7, right? So it's time to leave this beach, Ashwin Beach, and we'll see next what to be done and where we'll be going to have something. We thought like we are going for some shopping, but let us wait and see what can happen next. Chalo. Now we are in a wine store. Let's buy something. So as we came back to our room, there was a huge decoration done. There was a small children's party, I think, birthday party, and here everybody were Russians. They were just having so much fun. And now we have to go back to our room and pack our things, and then we have to move for our airport. So yeah.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So after quick packing, we left our rooms at 12 o'clock, 12:45, and we wanted to reach airport as early as possible. That is why we left early, and we reached Goa International Airport at 2 o'clock to 2:30. This is the entrance of Goa International Airport, and our flight was at morning 7:30. So we came little early, and this is how the night Goa International Airport looked like, very quiet. And then morning at 6 o'clock we went for check-in. Also we got our tickets here, and I think we waited for around 1 hour in the waiting room for the aeroplane to arrive. And then finally we got our airport accessories. Like they had given a sanitizer and a packet. Here you can see the packet. Here it has the face mask and also the sanitizer sachets. And we started going for an aeroplane. This is my very first aeroplane journey, so I was so excited as well as scared how it will happen. So, and also there it was a caution not to use mobile phones as well, so that is why we stopped using it. finally I reached Bangalore. So this was the story and this was the video for day 2 of Goa, as well as my return back to Bangalore. So I hope you liked it. I'm very tired right now. That is why my eyes are blinking so badly. I'm so sorry for that. So I'll take some rest and I'll be back to my routine from tomorrow. That is why. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do like, you know what to do. Please do like, share and subscribe Sassy Vintage. I'll be meeting you all in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with Sassy Vintage. Bye bye.